I have Born Pretty PR, and for this one I am checking out their Hema free jelly gels. So this one's gonna be pretty cool. There was a bunch of different kinds that they had. There was milky jellies, ice jelly, glitter jellies, semi jellies, and I believe that was all, but there was a lot of choices. Okay, so I chose 3 milky jellies, an ice jelly, and a glitter jelly. So I'm gonna get into the glitter jelly first because I'm excited to see how much glitter is in here and all that. So like I said, these are all Hema free jellies, and they're all reasonably priced. I think they are $10 a bottle. And they are these nice 15 milliliter glass bottles, or ceramic, you know, whatever they are. And this is Glitter Jelly 05. They are a soak off. So let's see. This is a pink one. So yeah, this is like a milky glitter jelly, I would say. And it does seem like there's a good amount of glitter in there. That's one coat and it's pretty good coverage. Very shimmery. Okay, so I gave that a quick flash cure. And now to see with 2 coats, I'm just gonna do the tip area with the second coat, so we can compare. Very opaque, very buildable. Let's cure that up. So this milky jelly wasn't considered, this is number 02. This wasn't considered a glitter one, but I believe it does have shimmer in it. Yeah, it does. This was just in the regular part, but I really like this, especially for the summer and spring coming up. As you can see, it is a milky white jelly, but it also does have the glitters in it, and I thought that would just be like such a nice touch to get that pretty shimmering look from your nice white summer nails. Very pretty. And as usual, the formula is amazing, nice and thick, creamy, nice self-leveling. So pretty. This might be my favorite one so far. No, we're only 2. But it's just so nice and crisp yet fun with the glitters in there. Let's flash cure that. And again, just at the tip, so we can compare. So nice. Really like this one. That's what we got. So next is Milky Jelly 06. Which is a nice pink color. I went with this one because it wasn't so bubblegummy and it wasn't too pale that it could hardly be noticed. I thought it was a nice pink, that it can still be a subtle color, but you can still see the color. So that's how this one is. It's like a nice watermelon color, I guess I would say. Really pretty. Like that one a lot. That's how that would look, one coat. And just the tip. These are very pigmented. Just with 2 coats, they get pretty opaque. That's the 2 coats. Okay, and the last of the Milkies, we have 05. Now this one is more of a nude. Well, not more, it is a nude milky one. Very pretty. It's like nude with still a little hint of a pinkish peachiness going on, I would say. That is the first coat. I like that a lot. And coat number 2 just on the tip. That's what we got. And the last of the jellies is Ice Jelly number 4. This one is very icy. This is like a nice orangey coral kind of color. Burst that air bubble so I can clean my wand off. Okay. Yeah, so this is really, really nice for the summer as well. That's obviously what I was going for here, nice summer colors, since that's what's happening soon. So this is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. Like I said, it's a nice orangey kind of coral, really pretty, really like ice jelly. And you see how fast it just self-levels. You don't see any streaks. It's really pretty. Very nice. And the second coat. Such a smooth formula they have. That's the second coat. Okay, so here are all the colors. I really, really love the choices this time around. I think they're all so beautiful. Perfect spring, summer colors. And like I said, the formula is just great. They self-level, nice, thick and creamy application. Very, very pretty. And yeah, the big plus is they're all Hema free. They are gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Here's what they look with the more, you know, darker background. Very, very pretty. And I will have all of the product links in my description box if you are interested in purchasing any of these or any other products from Born Pretty, along with my coupon code to save you a bit of money on your purchase. So now let's get into today's design. So for this first nail, I'm going to use the Ice Jelly color. I really think this is super, super pretty, so I definitely wanted to use this in today's video. And in order to, you know, get enough of the color shown, I did 3 coats of this. So now on this Ice Jelly nail, I'm going to go in with a matte top coat over the whole nail because I am going to draw some flowers on this nail. So having the matte surface will make that easier. You just want to always check the light reflection before curing to make sure your surface is nice and smooth. I'm done with the ice jelly. What I want to use is a milky pink for these flowers. I'm gonna use the nude. Okay, so now using a pretty small dotting tool, I'm gonna go into the nude for my first flower, and I'm gonna do 6 dots and then just drag that all to the center. I think I want to make this a little bigger actually. So I'm just gonna go in circular motions and make these petals bigger. So it's best to always start off small, because if you change your mind, you can always make it bigger. And if it's too big, there's going to be a lot of correcting to do. Okay, I'm going to cure that. Okay, quickly just going to do second coats on these petals. I think this will all be a lot easier to see once I put a shiny top coat on. It's a bit hard at the moment for me right now. Now I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is gonna be a smaller flower. Bring all the petals in and cure it up. And then a second coat on that guy. Before I cure it, I'm just gonna do one more little pink one down here. I just put down some of the white milky jelly. This also has the glitter in it. I'm going to take the bigger end of my dotting tool. And I'm just going to do the center of the pollen. On all. Cure that quickly. Come in with second coats of that. Just define that a bit more. I am going to go in with another flower up here, but like coming off of the nail. Off camera, I did add some more flowers. I just didn't think I had to show you me doing all of them, because they are pretty simple, easy flowers, and it gets very repetitive. So these flowers down here are bothering me. I do kind of feel like they come out of nowhere. So I'm just going to file them down. So I actually took it all off instead. So I'm going to use the nude again, but I think I would be happier with the outcome if I made them coming off from the side, like a few of the other flowers. For my next nail, I'm going to go in with this really pretty pink milky jelly polish that I got. And I'm just going to do, I believe I only did 2 coats of this on the nail. This color is so pretty and pigmented as well. I knew I really wanted to use it on a full nail. So I did this on 2 actually. Now I'm going in with the white milky glitter jelly, and I'm going to create an ombre effect using this. So I just coat about half the nail, maybe a little less with this, and using my finger I just blot it out, which I know I shouldn't have done, but I couldn't find anything at the moment to use. So I go in with 2 coats of the white, and I do the same blotting method and then give it a full cure. Using that nude milky jelly, I am just going to create some swirl shapes over the entire nail. I want to do them with the ends of the swirls being pretty thick and kind of squaring off, and the center of the swirl skinnier Wasn't going for this look, but the way the flowers came out and the colors, it reminds me of like the 60s, 70s. So that's why I'm going in with these cool abstract, you know, kind of wavy swirls all over the whole nail. I feel like it goes together well with the flowers. And I'm just going to keep going, making these on the entire nail until I fill it all up to my liking. And now I'm using Born Pretty's super shiny top coat, and I'm just going to give everything a top coat, making sure to go in all various directions because these are pretty 3D after all the layers I did with the swirls and with the flowers. So yeah, just make sure that I'm covering all the parts of the nail. So after that, I give it a cure and my set is complete. So here is how the set looks all together. I am very happy with this. I think it's so cute, simple, very pretty for the spring. These polishes were great to work with as usual. Really, really love Born Pretty and appreciate them very much for sending me some more products to check out. And don't forget, I will have everything listed in my description box. And don't forget to use my code to save you some money off of your purchases. So thank you to Born Pretty again for sending me these products, and thank you to you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.